Here we have HAIER V5, and today I'm gonna tell you how to switch off unknown sources security. So first of all, we start from settings, from main menu. It's here, all settings, and we're looking for security under personal settings. Here we go, and unknown sources. And now you need to know that it's your own responsibility if you are using any apps from unknown sources. If you agree, just simply tap on OK here. And now device is ready to download apps from unknown sources. If that information are helpful for you, just please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up, and thank you for watching.